I once had a client who had been in an organization for 23 plus years. He had a phenomenal appraisal, but the next week he was called into the office and told that they are moving his role to the US in the headquarters and they've already found a replacement for him. I had another client who'd been in the organization for 6 plus years, went on maternity leave, and during this time they changed the manager. When she came back, within 3 weeks, she was told that she's not a good fit for the organization. Now, this post is about how do you take charge of your own career. And one very quick actionable tip I can give you is to update your resume at least twice a year. What this does, firstly, is for you to have career stories ready when you actually start looking out for a role, whether it's to be part of your resume or for your interview preparation. Secondly, you will get a sense of how you are doing in your current role in a very honest manner. If you don't have a quantifiable achievement for the last 6 months, it's time to have some internal conversation on how you can contribute more. If you don't have a quantifiable achievement for 12 months or more, it is actually time for you to start looking out for role while you see if there's something which you can do within the organization. I hope this saves you from being blindsided by the organization in the future.